of India now, temporarily or accidentally. Why? How? What is the reason? Either it is temporarily or it is accidentally in India. Where a vessel or aircraft registered in a foreign country or a land vehicle owned by a person ordinarily resident in a such country comes into India, including the territorial waters thereof, temporarily or accidentally. These two words are very important. The rights conferred by a patent for the invention shall not deem to be infringed by the use of invention. So, in that invention, suppose some issue happens like machine related and all, and in that your invention is suppose utilized in that vessel, which is temporarily or accidentally there. At that time, what will happen? You cannot enforce your right, because it is a very special situation, it is a temporary and it is accidental. Okay? It is not permanent or it is not intentionally done.